we are here to give overview for our project, that is optical character recognition. These are the outlines which we are focusing on: problem statement, introduction to OCR system, application, proposed OCR methodology, and proposed result. A problem statement. As every project has a problem, and every problem gives birth to a project. The main problem that recently computer users, the challenge, you can say that challenge, that converting a printed phrase into an accurate editable text. If image that is having text, and to convert that image, that text into an editable form, this is a challenge, and we are giving solution with the OCR. Now, what is OCR? The main goal of the optical character recognition is to classify optical patterns corresponding to alphanumeric and numeric characters or other characters. Now, this is an example. This is figure showing an example of OCR. This is an scanned image having some text, and this is the output of that image. This OCR recognizes that text and collects all the text of that in a word format or editable format. The concept behind OCR, as there is a less, or you can say very decreased manual work, so we have decreased errors and faults, all the faults done by a man or a person. So it is fast, accurate, and more efficient as than keystroke data entry. These are the applications of OCR. Number one, as I have told you, to get a editable format of an image text. Number two, recognize license plate numbers. Number three, post office need to recognize zip code. And number four, barcode reading. This is a flow chart showing number one, analyzing image lines. As we get a scanned image, the OCR recognizes image line, then it filters line, and if there is a symbol, it gives you output, and then check if next symbol is there, it gets the next symbol. If no, it goes to next line. And this is the flow chart. And these are the modules which we are using in our project. These are image capturing, reprocessing, segmentation, feature extraction, pattern classification, and recognition. And these are the step-by-step module block diagram of our module. Number one, there is a text input, image capturing by a scanner, then reprocessing, feature extraction, classification, recognition, and this is the output of editable text. And now, Kumar will tell you briefly about our module.
Good morning, sir. I am going to explain module preprocessing. The aim of preprocessing to produce the data which is easy for OCR system to operate accurately. The techniques used in preprocessing is binarization, noise reduction, normalization, skew correction, and slant binarization. The conversion of grayscale image into binary image is called binarization. जैसे इस फिगर में दिया है, ये फर्स्ट इमेज है जिसमें कई सारे ग्रे लेवल्स हैं, और सेकंड इमेज ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट. It shows the binary image. Second, noise reduction. Noise reduction is used to improve the quality of the image. We use two techniques: filtering and morphological operation like erosion and dilation. Right thing, normalization. Normalization technique used to tremendous reduction of in data size, as in the given figure. This is a symbol of form which is very thick, and after applying the normalization, the figure is. Next is skew correction. Skew correction is the method which is used to align the coordinates of the image according to the scanner coordinate. Next is slant removal. Slant of any handwritten text is varies from user to user, and slant removal technique is used to normalize all the characters into the standard form. As for this example, this is handwritten text. After applying the slant removal technique, the standard form of the image is stars. Next is segmentation. Segment cluster.
Monster segmentation, an important module of OCR, optical character recognition. Generally, segmentation means converting a digital image into a form of regions. Regions means set of pixels. So in OCR, segmentation will be proceeded in first text line detection, and second one is word extraction, means extraction of word within lines. The process is like this. A simple line is this is a document image that will present you the complex problem of OCR that is divided into word. Segmentation, explicit segmentation. The first slide shows the implicit segmentation and the second one is explicit segmentation. In this segmentation we are just going for recognize characters, and in previous one we are going to recognize lines and words. This is feature extraction. Feature extraction means extraction of features. We know that everything exists in nature has some features, and by analyzing those features we can easily process it. And proposed output, first one is a scanned image which contains an image with